So, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. It's a Subway night and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. Now, am I down or up? Because for some reason, I'm good?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, my daughter is behind the camera. My stand is not working right now, so my daughter hold the camera for me right now. I never trust her. I said everything not focus. If everything out of focus, do not blame me. My daughter is behind the camera, right? Now, it's a Subway night. Juliana's Subway night right now. You guys know I love a mean Subway sandwich. And my favorite Subway sandwich in the world is tuna. I love tuna sandwich. Now, I'm going to make this a family night Subway type of thing. Now, my husband might have tuna or chicken. I'm going to do some chicken breast as well. Daughter might have, I don't know what she's, what are you having?
Probably the ham.
Oh, she's going to have, it's not ham, it's turkey breast.
Turkey breast.
But yeah, we're gonna do it on wheat because I love wheat. So I love wheat. They have wheat too. So we're gonna get into this recipe fast, easy, and simple as always in a mid-Jamaican kitchen. Now, if you're new to my channel and watching me cooking and ramping and carrying on for the very first time, hit your subscribe, turn the notification settings on so you will always be reminded whenever I upload a brand new video. So, you want to see how I turn up this one? Come on, let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, y'all. Now let's get into all my ingredients here, which is very simple and easy to make. Anybody can make a Subway sandwich, but I'm gonna show you how I make mine and stuff, right? Now, this is the tuna right here. The tuna I'm using is tuna in water. Right there, this is my turkey breast. I have American cheese right there, cucumber, and some tomato. My lettuce right this, all right? Now, I'm going to be using my wheat sub right there. And yeah, that's yummy, very soft and yummy. I'm also going to be adding some whip. You could use mayo. I'm using whip, same thing, tastes good. Now, to give my tuna a little flavor, I'm going to use some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning to it. And this is my Grace Brown right there, so, right? Now, I'm going to add some black pepper when I finish up. Don't add a black pepper on it, add a black pepper when I make the sandwich. Now, I'm going to also use my honey Dijon mustard, my favorite ever. So yeah, let's get started. Now, I'm going to put this to the side because we're not going to use that right now. The mayo, I'll put that to the side too. And we are going to get the, what am I going to get together first? I'm going to get the tuna together first, right? The only thing I'm going to add to this tuna right here, you want to make sure you don't have no water inside of your tuna. You want to come around to the other side so you can see better. You don't have to come so close. Anyway, you block out the light too. Anyway, camera girl, I messed me up, folks. What? But now add a little bit. It look dark. And you could zoom in, you know. Zoom it. That's perfect. And so I'm just gonna add a little bit of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning and may eyeball it, right? Eyeball it. So I'm just gonna mix that together, like so. I'm not adding no salt, not adding no black pepper or anything like that in it. Just some flavor, all-purpose seasoning. You can even use fish seasoning as well, right? But that's about it, right? That's as far as my tuna is concerned. So, we set this to the side, right? Now, I think we have to come out to the other side back. Alright, let's see here. Now, we're gonna get this together. I think, baby, you want your bread toasted or no? Okay, so we're gonna do some toast. You want yours toasted too? Alright, so we're gonna do one toasted. So let me do the one toasted first. So that's for my husband. We're gonna get that toasted. Oh, I picked up the wrong thing. Alright, so let's open that up. Like so. Oh, this bread is so soft. It's not even funny how soft it is. So we open that up. And then we add our American cheese to it. Like so. I think I might have probably put about 3 slices maybe on there. Like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the oven and toast that up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna make daughter own, and she don't want hers toasted. She just want hers on the rocks, right? So we're gonna get some mayo on that. All right, you love mayo? Mm-hmm. You want a lot of mayo?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so let's get the mayo up in there, up in there. Get the mayo, cause she love her some mayo, honey. One more?
No, that's
good. Right, that's good. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we got our mayo. And we're gonna put our American cheese on here. Slap that baby on. Did a job in a Subway. Next. Right? And so you want tuna or chicken breast?
Chicken breast.
Alright, so we're gonna slap that on as well. That's yummy. Anything else? Salt, black pepper?
Just lettuce.
You want some lettuce? Mm-hmm. So just slap the lettuce up in there. And we're gonna close that up, and her sandwich is ready. Let's put it on a plate. Let's get the plate here. Alrighty. And that's your sandwich. That's daughter's sandwich right there. All done. That looks yummy, ain't it? Mm-hmm. That looks good. Alright, so that's your sandwich out the way. Now I'm going to do mine. Well, that looks pretty ready. Pretty good. So that looks good. Now, husband, where you want on it? Alright, so anyway, this is going to be tuna. So we're going to go ahead and get that tuna up on there. Like that. So you want salt and black pepper? Put that on there. This is all over the place, but anyway, yeah. This is my Subway place.
Still look good.
Alright, so now we're gonna get that tomato on there. Yep. We're gonna get that tomato up on there. Like so. Right? Mm-hmm. You're gonna get some cucumber. Like that. And then we're gonna slap some lettuce on there, honey. And we are going to close that up. However which way.
If it can close.
Yeah, this is a big old sandwich. It's my kitchen. I can do whatever I want to. And so yeah, that's it right there. That's sandwich number 2. Look at that. That's good. So that's my husband's sandwich. You can cut it. Okay guys, now that I've done my daughter and my husband's sandwich, it's time to make mine. And I do not want mine toasted at all. So yeah, I got my wheat there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get my cheese up in there. And trust me, I just love me some tuna. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tuna on that. Like so. That look good right there? Mm-hmm. There's tuna. Tuna fish. I love me some tuna fish. Oh gosh. And what else? I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little bit. like so, like that much, not a lot. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes because you can't have sandwich without tomato. Then I'm gonna add, I don't want mayo on mine. That's good. And of course, my lettuce, like so. I'm gonna add some honey Dijon mustard. Oh, sweet. Oh Lord, that looks so damn good. And my sandwich is ready. Now all I have to do is fold that baby up in there. Make sure everything got down in it. Like so maybe. And fold it like that. Well, my sandwich is ready, I guess. Like that. Look at that. It's biggie. Can't even fold. But anyway, that's my sandwich.
Look at that masterpiece, guys.
Look at that masterpiece. No, we're gonna take a bite. Come. It's yum. See my sandwich.
Open wide.
Oh, open wide. Mm. 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 So good. Now, Dijon mustard is a little bit spicy.
I mean, it's Dijon mustard. It's more spicy than tangy.
But it's good. So good. Another bite.
Oh, Lord.
Well, but I'm moving around to this. Well, guys, so good. Thanks. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please sure to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. Love you guys. Bye. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.